In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upscale an image with AI using Leonardo AI, step by step. If you have a blurry, low resolution or small image that you want to make sharper and more detailed, this is one of the easiest ways to do it without needing advanced editing skills. Whether you're working with photos, digital art, or social media graphics, Leonardo AI can help you improve image quality fast. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to leonardo.ai. Once the website loads, sign into your account so you can access the tools inside the platform. After you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Upscaler. This is the feature we'll use to enhance and enlarge your image while keeping as much detail as possible. Now you'll see the upload area in the center of the screen. At this point, simply drag and drop your image into that box. You can use a low-resolution photo, a compressed image, or any visual that needs a quality boost. Once the image uploads, Leonardo AI will prepare it for upscaling. Before you process the image, take a moment to adjust the settings. The first setting is Upscaler mode. For the best possible detail, select Ultra. This is the mode you want when you need maximum sharpness and clarity. If your goal is to preserve and improve the original image as much as possible, Ultra is usually the best choice. Next, choose your upscaling style. This should match the type of image you're working with. If you're upscaling a photograph or a realistic portrait, choose a realistic style. If you're working with illustration, anime, or vector style graphics, choose a 2D art style or the option that best matches your image. Matching the style helps Leonardo AI enhance the image in a way that looks natural instead of overly processed. Now let's talk about creativity strength, because this setting matters a lot. If you want the image to stay as close as possible to the original, keep the creativity strength low, around 1 to 3. That helps preserve the likeness, structure, and original details. If your image is very rough or you want a little more texture and creative enhancement, you can raise it slightly. Just remember, the higher you go, the more the AI may start adding its own interpretation instead of staying faithful to the source image. Once your settings are ready, double-check everything one more time. Make sure the correct image is uploaded, the upscaler mode is set properly, and the style matches your image type. After that, click Upscale. Leonardo AI will now process the image and generate a higher resolution version for you. Depending on the size and quality of your original image, this may take a few moments. When the process is finished, review the result carefully. Look at the sharpness, the edges, the textures, and any small details to make sure the output looks clean and natural. If it looks good, you can save the final image to your device and use it wherever you need. And that's it. That's how to upscale an image with AI in Leonardo AI in just a few simple steps. It's a quick and powerful way to improve image quality without complicated software or manual editing. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.